Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. So as a demand that I make a video on how I got the last trade we traded on Friday. So this is the video on how I spotted the short trade we took last Friday. Basically, this is it. Okay, this is a 1 hour time frame. It's top-down analysis. The area I marked with green and separate with this line here. This area has not happened. This actually was the news on Friday. The news that took place 1:30 and 3 p.m. on Friday on USD. So the trade was on GBP USD. So what I had was from this point backward. So this hasn't taken place. Now, basically it's top-down analysis. From 1 week time frame, I got here and I spotted this demand zone. Price traded into it and pull back. Weekly time frame, same. This other block here. Price traded into it and pull back. So having established that this is a strong zone that could cause a strong pullback or major reversal. So also looking at it, if you place a trend line this way, you could see that price can still get to this point, at least 1.22081. Could pull back to that point or break the trend line, cause a major shock and continue buying. So that's what I have at daily time frame. So I drop down back to the 1 hour time frame, having established my bias that we're having a pullback or major reversal. So back to where I was. I had just this from this point. Now this another demand zone. Got it, marked it. Price has already traded into it. Now, what do we see? Price started here, selling, pull back, break, continue, pull back, break, continue. Get this point, had a range. After the range, there was a choke here. You can contact me on WhatsApp for mentorship, account management, and you can also join my free signal group. This block here. Traded into it. Make a break of structure again. Then started ranging. We now have a relative equal height here. So this is basically a range. So looking at it, with range, after that, now price return. And took liquidity from this point. Or this place. Price took liquidity from here. Trade into this point. So when I saw that, I knew that the next point would be to take liquidity up there. So I dropped down to the 5 minutes time frame. And this was what I got. the noisy range, so I move down further to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is the 1 minute I had. And then this is what I had. So I took a trend line, and placed from this point down. Now, waiting for a breakout, and it's happened. Look at it. The breakout of the trend line, which is chalk took place here. Went low, created a high, lower low, lower high. Instead of making a lower low, it made a higher low and came up and broke the initial high. So that's a chalk taking place on 1 minute time frame. When I saw that, I look at this doji. I said the minimum it should be able to come into this zone and tag us in for a buy. So I marked it out. Then call for the trade on the group. So this is it. Buy GBP USD at 1.21166. And the price take us in, and this was our take profit. And price actually took liquidity of this point. Got it. Took liquidity up. All this effect was the news. When the news came up, so we're already out of the market. So I'm also seeing this pair. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, another confluence you could notice. For those that trade chart pattern, you will see this, the head and shoulder, shoulder, head and shoulder. So I'm expecting this pair to trade at least to this point. But it could also go higher, but at least it should get to this point if everything being equal according to the chart pattern that is showing, and also that confluence you could look at even from the daily time frame. You will notice we could be having a bullish play coming up in Great British Pound USD. We could be having it going bullish next week as we enter the new trading week. Great British Pound USD could be bullish. It's already preparing to go bullish. So that is how I spotted the trade. If you have any question on the comment box, please put your comment, your question. You could reach me on my WhatsApp. You could contact me also for account management, mentorship, or you could also join my free signal group. Thank you for watching.